The Jerónimos Monastery is a former monastery of the Order of St. Jerome located in the Belém district. It is one of the most prominent examples of the Portuguese Late Gothic Manueline style of architecture in Lisbon and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its historical and cultural significance. It was commissioned by King Manuel I in 1501 and was largely funded by the proceeds from the Portuguese explorations to Africa and the Orient. The monastery was constructed to commemorate Vasco da Gama's successful return from India and to serve as a resting place for members of the royal family and significant figures of Portugal. It played a significant role during the Age of Discoveries as sailors would spend the night here before embarking on their voyages. The design is attributed to architect Diogo de Boitaca, with later contributions by other architects like João de Castillo. The Manueline style incorporates maritime elements alongside more traditional Gothic elements, with intricate stonework and elaborate sculptural details. Key architectural features include the church, with its richly adorned south portal, the cloisters, and the ornate inner courtyard. The monastery houses the tombs of several notable figures, including Vasco da Gama and poet Luís de Camões. It represents a period in which Portugal was a leading maritime nation and is seen as a symbol of Portuguese national identity and pride. Visitors consider Jerónimos Monastery a must-see due to its architectural beauty and historical importance. It provides a glimpse into Portugal's rich maritime history and cultural heritage. Work on the vast square cloister of the monastery was begun by Boitac. He built the groin vaults with wide arches and windows with tracery resting on delicate mullions. Castillo finished the construction by giving the lower story a classical overlay and building a more recessed upper story. The construction of such a cloister was a novelty at the time. Castillo changed the original round columns of Boitac into rectangular ones and embellished it with plateresque-style ornamentation. Each wing consists of 6 bays with tracery vaults. The 4 inner bays rest on massive buttresses, forming broad arcades. The corner bays are linked by a diagonal arch construction and show the richly decorated corner pillars. The cloister had a religious function as well as a representative function by its decorative ornamentation and the dynastic symbolic motives, such as the armillarium, coat of arms, and the cross from the Order of Christ, showing the growing world power of Portugal. The inside walls of the cloister have a wealth of Manueline motifs with nautical elements, in addition to European, Moorish, and Eastern motifs. The round arches and the horizontal structure are clearly in line with the Renaissance architectural style, while at the same time, there is also a relationship with Spanish architecture. The decorations on the outer walls of the inner courtyard were made in Plateresco style by Castillo. The arcades include traceried arches that give the construction a filigree aspect. Pastéis de Belém is a renowned pastry shop located in the Belém district, famous for its traditional Portuguese custard tarts known as Pastéis de Nata. These tarts are a must-try culinary delight for visitors to Lisbon. The pastry shop has been baking these iconic pastries since 1837, and it is said to have originated the recipe that remains a closely guarded secret to this day. The recipe is believed to have been developed by monks at the nearby Jerónimos Monastery as a way to use egg yolks left over from starching nuns' habits and monks' robes. Pastéis de Nata are small tarts with a crisp, flaky pastry filled with a rich, creamy custard, finished with a beautifully caramelized top. They are traditionally dusted with powdered sugar and cinnamon before serving. It is well known for producing some of the finest examples of these tarts, often drawing locals and tourists alike who line up to enjoy them fresh from the oven. The shop retains a classic charm, with traditional blue and white tile decor and a bustling bakery atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy the pastries on-site with a cup of coffee or purchase them to take away. It has become an integral part of the cultural and culinary landscape of Lisbon. Tasting one of their famed custard tarts is considered an essential experience for anyone visiting the city. The Centro Cultural de Belém, CCB, is a major cultural complex located in the historic Belém district. It's renowned for its distinctive modern architecture and its role as one of the largest cultural facilities in Portugal. Opened in 1992, it was originally conceived to host Portugal's presidency of the European Union in 1992. Its modern, modular design, characterized by blocks of white limestone, gently contrasts with the older, more ornate structures in the Belém area. The complex is often described as a city within a city, featuring various interconnected spaces, including gardens, lakes, bridges, and hidden corners. It is a vibrant hub that hosts a diverse range of artistic and cultural events. Its facilities include Performing Arts Center, Exhibition Center, Museum of Contemporary Art, Architecture Center, shops, restaurants, and cafes. The Monument to the Discoveries is a prominent landmark in Lisbon's Belém district. It celebrates Portugal's age of discoveries and its explorers who played a crucial role in global navigation and exploration during the 15th and 16th centuries. The monument was inaugurated in 1960 to commemorate the 500th anniversary of the death of Henry the Navigator, one of Portugal's most influential figures in maritime exploration. It was originally conceived as a temporary structure for the Portuguese World Fair, but was later preserved as a permanent monument due to its significance. The monument resembles a large ship's prow, symbolizing the Portuguese age of exploration. It features a towering, stepped structure with a central figure of Henry the Navigator holding a ship's sail. Along the sides, there are statues representing famous explorers, navigators, cartographers, and other figures important to Portugal's maritime history, including Vasco da Gama, Ferdinand Magellan, and Bartolomé Dias. The top of the monument is adorned with a figure of Christ blessing, symbolizing divine guidance in exploration. Visitors can ascend an elevator to a viewing platform at the top, which offers panoramic views of the Tagus River, Belém, and Lisbon. The monument also has a small museum displaying historical exhibits related to Portugal's explorations and discoveries. The Rose Compass is a stunning artistic feature located at the base of the monument. It's a large, intricate compass rose design that symbolizes navigation, exploration, and the maritime spirit of Portugal's age of discoveries. The compass rose is beautifully crafted, typically made of stone or tile, and features detailed markings that represent the directions and intermediate points. Its design often includes decorative elements inspired by nautical charts and ancient navigational instruments, emphasizing Portugal's rich maritime history. The compass rose serves as a symbolic reminder of the explorers' voyages, representing guidance and discovery on uncharted waters. It complements the overall theme of the monument, emphasizing navigation, exploration, and Portugal's pioneering role in global maritime history. This feature enhances the monument's message of exploration and serves as a tribute to the navigational skills and adventurous spirit that defined Portugal's golden age of discovery. Belém Tower, also known as the Tower of St. Vincent, is a fortified tower located in the Belém district. It is an iconic symbol of Portugal's age of discoveries and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its architectural and historical significance. The tower was built between 1514 and 1520 under the reign of King Manuel I to defend the entrance to the Tagus River and protect the harbor of Lisbon. It served as both a defensive fortress and a ceremonial gateway to the city. Designed by architect Francisco de Arruda, the tower is a notable example of the Manueline architectural style, which is characterized by ornate maritime motifs, including ropes, crosses, and images of the sea. The structure is composed of a bastion and a four-story tower, with features like the beautiful loggia, ribbed vaults, and stone carvings. It contains elements of Moorish, Gothic, and Renaissance styles that are blended into the Manueline decoration. The tower played a crucial role in Portuguese maritime discoveries by serving as a point of embarkation and disembarkation for explorers and a lighthouse for returning ships. It is connected to notable voyages, serving as a symbol of the immense era of exploration that was financed by the wealth of Portugal's overseas dominions. Today, the tower is one of Lisbon's most visited landmarks. It offers visitors panoramic views of the surrounding area and insights into the history of Portugal's seafaring past. Along with the nearby Jerónimos Monastery, it stands as a testament to Portugal's golden age of discovery. The decorative carved, twisted rope and elegant knots also point to Portugal's nautical history and are common elements of the Manueline style. The National Coach Museum is one of the most popular museums in the city, famous for its unique collection of historical carriages. It was established in 1905 by Queen Amelia of Orleans and Bragança. The museum houses one of the world's finest collections of beautifully adorned horse-drawn carriages, showcasing the opulence and craftsmanship from the 17th to the 19th century. It is located in the Belém district, originally housed in the Royal Riding School of Belém Palace. In 2015, the main collection was moved to a new, contemporary building near the original location, providing more space for exhibits and better visitor amenities. Visitors can explore an array of royal coaches, ceremonial vehicles, and coaches used by the nobility from various periods of Portuguese history. These carriages are adorned with intricate details, velvet upholstery, and gilded wood, reflecting the splendor and grandeur of bygone ages. Additionally, the museum provides context about the evolution of transportation and the role these vehicles played in society and ceremonial events. The National Coach Museum is not only a showcase of transportation history, but also a reflection of artistry and craftsmanship, making it a must-see for visitors interested in history and art. The Museum of Art, Architecture and Technology, MAAT, is a contemporary cultural institution dedicated to showcasing modern and innovative art, architecture, and design. Located along the Tagus River in the Belém district, the building itself is an architectural highlight, designed by the British architect Amanda Leavitt. It features a striking, modernist design with a distinctive undulating roof that appears to float above the riverbank. The museum opened in 2016, transforming a former power station into a contemporary cultural space, blending industrial heritage with modern design. It hosts temporary exhibitions, installations, and projects that explore the intersections of art, architecture, technology, and society. It aims to foster innovative and forward-thinking ideas, often focusing on contemporary issues and experimental art forms. The museum includes exhibition galleries, a riverfront outdoor space, a library, and an auditorium for lectures and performances. Its location offers stunning views of the river, making it a popular destination for both cultural exploration and scenic walks. It is a hub for contemporary thought and creativity, encouraging dialogue between artists, architects, designers, and the public. It plays a key role in Lisbon's cultural scene, promoting interdisciplinary approaches and new visions for the future. Visiting the museum provides an opportunity to experience cutting-edge art and architecture within a visually impressive setting by the water.